everyone, welcome back, or if you are new, hi, my name is Courtney. I'm a stay-at-home wife and mom. I make cleaning videos on my YouTube channel. If that is something you enjoy watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I truly appreciate all the support I have received in my YouTube journey. Today I have a little bit of a grocery haul, and I will be cleaning, restocking, and organizing my fridge and pantry.
It's all the same, some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save enough. So come on, let me show you. She knows that, but I'ma show it off. Hey, she playing cool now, but these my rules now. Don't play it off. So shimmy on, shimmy yeah. We could unwind if you just let me. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Bump it and grind, let's go all the way. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Drinks in the air now, let's moment.
I didn't deep clean every part of the fridge. It was just a quick spot clean and getting crumbs off of a few of these shelves and getting them ready to restock. After I cleaned the inside, I went ahead and started putting groceries in and organized everything in a way to make it functional for everyone, including the kids when they want to grab a juice or a snack.
photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now. Water's getting deep now. Follow me around. Yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now. Water's getting deep now. Follow me around. Yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
had this empty Grove Co. dishwasher pod container, so instead of keeping the Cascade pods in the bag it came in, I transferred them into this container instead. I feel like it would be more functional for me to use this container. Now I'm going through the cabinet that I keep most of my cleaner in, making sure it's organized and take anything that doesn't belong out. There was barely anything left in the pink stuff paste, but every use of it counts, so I kept it anyways. This is the end of today's video. Thank you for hanging out with me while I restock and organize my pantry and my refrigerator. I hope you find this video helpful or motivating. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.